Hello, everyone, and welcome to Sandra'S Stenography and Shorthand Court Reporting Dictation. And I'd like to thank you so much for coming here today and spending some time with me. I really appreciate it. Now, without any delay, I'd like to get right into this dictation. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And for you guys that have been here, could you please rate the video? I say that, but nobody ever does it. But please rate the video if you have time. And as always, you can leave me a comment in the comment section. And you guys can share these videos and all that good stuff. So I'd like to go ahead and get started here, because I'm doing something different today. As you can tell by the title, this is Carpenter versus United States. So this is some Supreme Court rulings. Yes, it is. And but I'm not reading all of that. No, I'm not reading all of that. What I'm going to read to you is the facts of the case. So that's what I'll be reading. When you see like Carpenter versus United States or some other video that I might do in the future, I'm just reading the facts of the case, which I have found that some of them are quite interesting. And maybe we can even start a discussion about them, because it's just so just good writing. So you ready? This won't be at any particular speed, but I don't think it's going to be too slow either. But it'll be probably maybe around 120. Okay. I'm just guesstimating because I'm not actually timing this. So Carpenter versus United States. Ready? That's right. In April 2011, police arrested 4 men in connection with a series of armed robberies. One of the men confessed to the crimes and gave the FBI his cell phone number and the numbers of the other participants. The FBI used this information to apply for 3 orders from magistrate judges to obtain, quote, transactional records, close quote, for each of the phone numbers, which the judges granted under the Stored Communications Act 18 U.S.C. 2703 bracket D close bracket period. That act provides that the government may require the disclosure of certain telecommunications records when, quote, specific and articulate, strike that, articulable facts are shown that there are reasonable grounds to believe that the contents of a wire or electronic communication or the records or other information sought are relevant and material to an ongoing criminal investigation, close quote. The transactional records obtained by the government include the date and time of calls and the approximate location where calls began and ended based on their connections to cell towers, dash, quote, cell site, close quote, information based on the cell site evidence, comma, the government charged Timothy Carpenter with, comma, among other offenses, comma, aiding and abetting robbery that affected interstate commerce, comma, in violation of the Hobbs Act 18 USC 1951. Carpenter moved to suppress the government's cell-site evidence on Fourth Amendment grounds, comma, arguing that the FBI needed a warrant based on probable cause to obtain the records. The district court denied the motion to suppress, and the Sixth Circuit affirmed. Question: does the warrantless search and seizure of cell phone records, which include the location and movements of cell phone users, violate the Fourth Amendment? Okay. There's a word back here, articulable. Articulable. And that's ARTICULABL. And so does it violate the Fourth Amendment right? You know, our right to move freely in the world? This is quite a case. So that's pretty much it for this. I hope you enjoyed that. And I will be bringing you more. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed that so I can know whether I should continue to do these or not. And quite interesting. That's why I like this, because, you know, it brings up topics that, you know, we should be aware of and know what's going on in the world. You know, if you have a cell phone, and everybody has a cell phone, so this would pretty much affect everybody in the whole world. So, interesting. So let me think what you think in the comment section. If you feel like commenting on this, or just give me a thumbs up, like I said, and let me know if you like that. Thank you so much for coming today. I really appreciate it. And I'll find some more great cases for to keep it interesting and fresh over here for you. And I hope I didn't read that too fast. If I did, let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section. And the next one, I'll try to slow it down. But this is not for the lower speed. This is really for my, you know, my people who have a good vocabulary underneath them. And that would probably be, I'd say, around 120. 140, you're starting to, you know, you're building your vocabulary, and I think this is great for that. And for those who have vocabulary already kind of underneath their belt, like the 180s and 200s. So this is really who I'm gearing this towards. because I do other dictation for the lower speeds to make sure that they are included. So, like I said, thank you so much for coming and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And happy writing.